I don't think anybody's gonna watch this, but I just wanted to do this for fun, and just play around a little bit with Facebook Live. I had to wait until all my kids were in bed, and even the dog is asleep right there on the floor. So that's why it's 8 o'clock, and I also thought maybe other people would be putting their kids to bed, and then be ready to watch a silly video. So this is the big box right here that I'm gonna be unboxing. So, isn't that like the hip thing that all the cool YouTubers and stuff do? And then I actually have another box right here that I thought would be fun to open. So I'm gonna open both boxes and then show you also something I picked up off Craigslist a few weeks back. All right, so, we do have somebody watching. Who could it be? Who is it? I gotta see. I don't know. It's Carly. Hey, Carly. One person. I love it. Anyways, so I've actually opened 2 boxes today, and I'm pretty excited. It's like Christmas here, and my kids are in bed, so it's like Christmas without my kids, which I don't know if that's very fun, but whatever. All right, so this is the big box, and if you didn't see before, it's from Johnny's, which is a company up in Maine. Pretty big seed company, but they also have a lot of gardening, farming type stuff. So here we go. We got this big bad knife here. I actually got this for Eric, I think on Valentine's Day, like our first year we were married. Had his initials carved in it. So cute. Thought it'd be like an heirloom, but then he keeps losing it, so I keep it. Alright, so here comes the first. I will try to move the camera around so you guys can actually see. I'm a total noob, so whatever. Oh my gosh, I can see it, but you can't. Let's see. Okay, what do we got in there? In case you didn't know, Johnny's is like super busy right now. There's the dog sleeping on the floor. And so I was worried I wasn't going to get this for a long time. So here it is in the flesh. What does it look like? Does anybody know what that is? No, it is not a lobster trap. Oh, you hoped it was a shiz ton of seeds. Oh, see, now I'm disappointing you. I'm disappointing my viewers. Oh my gosh. And you're gonna see all my laundry. What it is oh, I can't, it's stuck. I'm not strong enough. Okay, well, I'm gonna get it out. But what it is a seed bed roller. So what it will do is it'll flatten out my beds and it will press them down, like make them a little bit firmer. And you can also get some attachments to make like lines in your rows and stuff like that. So what I've done this year is I've created all my garden beds are 50-foot long rows, 30 inches wide. And hopefully that'll make things a little more efficient. And yeah, I'm really gonna try to get this out. It's heavier than you think. All right. Oh. Okay, so maybe you can visualize this a little bit now. I really don't want you to have to see my exercise bike and my laundry that needs folded, so I'm gonna go back this way. So there's a handle in here, you'll attach it, and then you push it up and down the rows. You can add cinder blocks up here to add more weight to push down your thing. This is real sturdy. It's awesome. I also ordered a bed rake, but I'm not sure. I thought it was going to be in that awesome box, but it's not in there. Dang it. Okay, let me show you the other box before you guys leave me because you're bored. All right, here's my other box. This one has a chicken on it. Any guesses as to what's in the chicken box? No, it's not a box full of chickens, sadly. All right, here we go. Sure, this camera angle is just really flattering, so I'm excited about that. Dun, 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 dun. Oh. Nope, not you, Ryan. It's not what we want. What could it be, guys? Such a nerd. Dun, 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 dun. Coop Defender. Automatic chicken coop door opener. And then this is like a metal door. So in order to help cut down on feed and let my chickens free range more, I'm gonna put an automatic timer on the coop, and I got an electric fence, a bigger electric fence, so that they can come out of the run area. But we have coyotes out here, and even though we have this big guard dog, he's really not that scary. So I'm excited. I'm gonna obviously record a video of me installing this, but yeah. So it'll automatically open and shut the chicken coop door. So I'm pretty excited. Yeah, I figure after like 9 years of owning chickens, it's time to upgrade, right? Treat yourself. Oh, it's a little magnet. Little magnet. Cute. Okay, the one other thing I wanted to show you is something that I picked up through Craigslist. Like, I think it was meant to be, because I was literally like, oh, I really want one of these. I had it like on my Amazon wish list. And then that day I was looking through Craigslist just randomly, because I don't look at Craigslist every day because that's like old people, but that's where the good stuff is. And this is what I got. Hold on. Can you tell what this is? This is a cedar. It's the Earthway cedar. It's not the jang that you might hear about. The guy claimed it was brand new, but maybe it is brand new and it just sat in the garage and got really dirty, because it's really dirty. However, it came with all the plates. He said he bought it for his wife, and she said her garden was not big enough to warrant a cedar. So I'm pretty stoked about it. The seeds go in through there, and then it covers back up the seed. It'll be awesome for like carrots and beets and things like that you plant super close together, and it's exhausting. So yeah, those are my big things. I got my seed bed roller for those who just tune in. Very large. One more time. Seed bed roller. Sweet. And I will obviously show you some video later on in life of me using this thing. I got the coop, automatic coop door opener, and the Earthway cedar. So it's been pretty awesome. Springtime is like my Christmas time, I guess. Hop ho. All right, guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. You guys are awesome. See ya. If I know how to get off here, I don't even know. I'm gonna get up close to my face.